Okay, alright, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. Basic. Basic. Something simple and easy to understand. Yeah. This is a basic vegetable. Yeah. Not exciting. Yeah, not exciting. I have a basic book. It's not exciting. Yeah. I have a basic book. It is a little boring. Yeah, I have a book. It's a little boring. No, I have a basic book. That's it. This is a basic plan. Yeah, not complex. Easy to understand, straightforward. This is a basic route. Those are basic roads. Basic route and all these roads, basic, just straightforward. That's it. We need some basic food for the travel. Yeah, just some basic food. I need basic food to keep me going as I drive. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah. So, we could say, I am basic. You are basic. They are basic. It is basic. He is basic. She is basic. Yeah. Yeah, let's change that. He is basic, 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 basic. Yeah. So I am a basic person. Yeah. My standards are quite, not low, but simple. Basic. Basic food. Just basically every day at home. I have a basic life. I have a basic life. Yeah, I work all the time. Work, learn Spanish, read, and exercise, go to the gym. How cool is that? You are a basic student. Yeah, simple, easy to understand. Yeah, they are basic people. They don't need many things. Yeah. It is a basic desk with drawers, a tabletop, and legs. Straightforward. So he is a basic writer. His books are simple and straightforward. Yeah. She is a basic singer. Not very exciting or complex. Yeah, basic. Yeah. Yeah. Not much to it. Yeah. Very basic. How cool is that? So, that was just a basic idea. Things have changed since then. Simple, basic idea. We can improve it. Aren't you looking for a basic strategy? This is a basic strategy we can apply now. This is a basic strategy that we can apply now. Now. In the future, we want a basic life. A basic life in the countryside with animals, a house, a big house, and a large family. Nothing too complex. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, I am basic, you are basic, they are basic, it is basic, he is basic, she is basic. Yeah. So, can you use basic in a sentence? Comment below and like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Udemy. by searching for English with Adrian, and you can find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanshev. So English with Adrian on Udemy, YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. That's it. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.